How do I find a local lab that can test my well water? Well, first and foremost, TapScore's blog has a wonderful piece on the certified testing labs for drinking water in every state. So you can go on that blog article, we'll link it below, and you can find the labs in your state that are certified for well water testing. When you use a local lab or a state certified lab directly, you're going to do a lot of lifting yourself. You're going to have to negotiate the pricing, the testing panels. You're going to perform the logistics, usually driving samples back and forth to that lab. It could be 30 minutes, it could be an hour, it could be 2 hours. And perhaps that laboratory isn't specifically trained in or excited to do a kind of small test for a person at home. A lot of these labs are specialized in much larger projects, engineering projects for the state or for the county or for the federal government. So small walk-in customers are generally a smaller priority for the lab when you go there directly. And largely that is why we built TapScore. We wanted to make the service you got from performing well water testing just top notch. So we've made everything extremely easy for you. So you're going to get really good professional sampling materials in the mail with return shipping labels that are fast, that are easy to use. We'll help you pick the right testing kit. And maybe most importantly, unlike the direct lab experience that you might get if you go to one of these labs as a walk-in yourself, we're going to help you interpret your results and interpret your report and help you pick the right filtration system or make the right decisions about your water quality based on those results. Most, if not all of these laboratories, they will not directly be able to help you analyze their results. It's not in their purview, not in their business mandate. It is something that TapScore does, however. So not only are you getting a really wonderful testing experience and good advice throughout that process, we're also going to help you understand your results. And if you want to pick a water filtration system or understand your results in more detail, we're going to hold your hand through that process and make sure you're happy with whatever comes out of the other end of the lab report. So long story short, TapScore is a really wonderful way to make a very complicated process of directly interacting with different labs a lot easier. You can look at the well water test on TapScore, have an idea of which test kits we recommend, but I strongly suggest reaching out and getting our input before you go any further with contacting direct labs yourself. Alrighty, that is a wrap. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please put them in the comment section below. We will get back to you as soon as possible.